guys, how are you guys doing today? I hope you all are doing wonderful. In today's video, we are creating this look right here, reddish, mauvish, perfect for the fall season makeup look. So if you want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. So before we start our whole makeup, I'm gonna spritz my Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, cucumber and green tea. I am obsessed with this stuff. It's so good, it's so hydrating. I don't use it that often because I'm so scared of running out of it because we don't get it here, but this is really good. So if you get your hands on it, I highly recommend you to get it. Whew. So I just spritz this all over my face to get some extra hydration so your skin looks really fresh and cute. After I'm done applying my facial mist, I'm going to moisturize my face. For moisturizer today we're using my Clinique Moisture Surge. Recently tried a lot of new face products and some of them I like, some of them I do not like. So if you want me to make a video about it, please let me know in the comments below or just DM me on Instagram or something and I shall make you one. So for primer today, I'm gonna use my Color Bar primer. This primer I really like because my skin gets a little oily throughout the day. So this is silicone based basically, and silicone based primer helps you not to release excess oil throughout the day. So if you have oily skin, I really recommend you use a silicone primer rather than a hydrating primer. Apply a little bit wherever my pores are the most. On my nose. I let it set on my skin for a few minutes so that it sinks into my skin and gives me an even base, because if you don't let it sit, I just feel like the product tends to move a lot. So I just let it sit for a few minutes and then I will go ahead and do my base. I've let it sit on my face for a couple of minutes now, so we're gonna move to the base. For the base, I'm using my favorite drugstore foundation ever. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless. This is in a shade 220. I'm usually a shade 230, but I made a mistake of getting a shade lighter and I just thought we will just roll with it. So I'm just gonna take my wet beauty blender or wet beauty sponge. I don't know where I got this sponge from. I think it's from Miniso or Forever 21 or something. I usually do this phase and just dab this thing here so that it gets into my crease lines and everything. Like whenever I smile, these lines that get there, make sure you get your foundation on there because then it will start creasing. So now that I'm done doing that, I'm gonna take one of my favorite drugstore concealers, Maybelline Instant Rewind. This is in the shade Honey. Make sure you get your hands on it, especially I think Nykaa has a sale going on. So it's not expensive as it is, but it's gonna get even more cheaper on the sale because I think Maybelline has 30 or 40 or 50% off on Nykaa right now. So please get your hands on it. It's one of the best concealers ever. I'm gonna let it sit and then I'm gonna go and do my eyebrows. You've seen my eyebrows multiple times now, especially with the Navratri videos that I put on Instagram. If you haven't seen it, please go see it. I put a lot of work into it, so please go see it if you haven't yet. But yeah, I've posted 9 videos and my eyebrows were the same throughout because I just don't have different products for eyebrows. I'm just gonna do my eyebrows and blend this in and be right back. So after I've done all of that, I've blended my concealer, done my eyebrows. Let's move to setting. Everything is just done. So I'm gonna take my Airspun loose powder. It's one of the best loose powders I've ever used. We're done with our base. Let's move with eyeshadows. For today's palette of the day, we're gonna use my 35 OM by Morphe. I'm gonna take this orange right here. I'm gonna take this red shade right here and blend that in. I think I'm gonna just take a little bit and just drag it out. Not a lot, just a little. So after that, I'm gonna take my Morphe. No, not that bullshit. After that, I'm gonna take my pack 165. Is this teeny tiny packed brush, and I'm gonna take this deep red right here and just apply it on the outer corner of my eye, just to deepen it a little bit. After that, I'm going to take a fluffy brush and just then blend everything in. So there are no harsh lines. So I'm going to take my favorite brown from this palette, this one right here. It's not really dark, not really light, it just gives you a really nice depth. Just take it and apply it on the outer corner. And the reason I'm leaving this front area blank is because I'm planning on doing a cut crease and adding like a very beautiful gold shimmer right there. I'm gonna go ahead and take my fluffy brush again and blend everything nice and smooth. After we're done blending it all in, I'm gonna take my concealer brush, it's the pack 317, and my concealer and just make a cut crease in the front of the eye, just a half cut crease. That's my half cut crease. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye, obviously. After I'm done creating my cut crease, I'm just gonna take a bone color from this palette, so like this color from this palette, and just set my concealer. So I'm gonna go in my Jacqueline X Morphe palette and take her shade Firework right here. It's like a burnt orange shimmer shade. I think would go with this whole vibe. It's somewhere between a burnt orange and a bronze. Just apply it with my fingers because glitters just give more pigmentation with fingers rather than brushes, I feel. Like looking at it, I expected it to be more like a burgundy shimmer, but it looks more on the orange side. But I think it looks damn cute. I'm gonna blend the shimmer with my mattes. I'm gonna take my teeny tiny brush because I don't want to move the product around a lot, so I'm just gonna blend very smoothly. Especially when you're mixing mattes with shimmers, make sure you're going from matte to shimmer and not from shimmer to matte, because what's that gonna do is move your shimmer to your matte eyeshadows and you don't want that. I'm gonna go back with the brick red shade that we did before in our crease and apply it on my waterline. I'm gonna take a flat brush like this. This is just a Faces eyeshadow brush. I'm just gonna go and do my false eyelashes and be right back. So I just did my lashes. They are really dramatic, really big, but like I love me some drama. So the lashes I've applied are Ardell Forming lashes. I don't know the number, but they are the Ardell lashes. Now I will do my waterline. I'm gonna use my Avon black eyeliner. It's ultra luxury eyeliner. I've been using this stuff constantly. It's genuinely the best eyeliner I've used in a while. It doesn't smudge and it is so pigmented. We will just need to chisel this down. I'm gonna take my NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette and I'm gonna use this shade right here. And I'm gonna take this dome brush. So this is not a pack brush, this is just a random brush I got off of Amazon few years ago, and it's still going strong and it's really good. Now I'm gonna contour my chin because we need that. Just a remaining bit on my brush, I'm gonna take and contour my nose with it. I'm gonna do my blush. For blush today, I'm gonna use my L'Oreal Paris True Match blush in 102 True Rose. So after blush, I'm gonna take my highlighter and highlight my face. I'm just gonna take my Revolution Radiant Lights Breathe highlighter. I'm gonna take my teeny tiny brush, pack 3131, the small packed brush. Take the highlighter and highlight my nose. So this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did. Comment down below, let me know what you want to watch next. Subscribe to my channel if you're new and press the bell icon so that you get notified every single time I post a new video. Follow me on all my social medias. The handles will be down in the description box and on the screen. Don't forget to check my Facebook and Instagram. I've posted a lot of Navratri looks on both of those platforms. Please watch those. You can wear those makeup looks anytime. Couple of them are pretty Indian looks as well, so you can wear them this festive season. Do not forget to tag me in your pictures if you do recreate them. Click here to subscribe to my channel. Click here to watch my last video. And that's it for today, guys. Until next time, spread love. Mwah. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. What in the world was I thinking?